Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. I'm Bags Passionate. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, as you have read the title, it's about my latest Kipling bag. I am really happy because it was a whole story. I wanted this bag and it was sold out. And finally it popped up again on the Kipling French website. So I ran and I directly ordered it. So now it will be a bag switch and I will show you the bag and make a little review about it. So let's go. Before just showing you my bag of the day, it's my Kipling Sebstian. I will link the video concerning its unboxing. It's honestly a real good little bag. I love it. I love the print, but in general, I love the design of the bag. It's a crossbody bag, but you can turn it on just a shoulder bag. But I am amazed how practical it is. I am amazed by Kipling. Honestly, I love this brand more and more. And as I told you in one of my previous videos, there are some Kipling designs that I really want in my collection. And the Sebstian was one of it. And I do not regret. It's really practical. You've got a bunch of several pockets, zipped and so on. It's a very easy go-to bag and it's perfect for springtime. Yes, amazing. So as you can see, I have also put, because it comes with this plushy monkey, but I have also added my banana pouch. I just, you see, because the chain is very long and the banana was here, so I just attach it like this and now it's short and I do think it's lovely. Honestly, it's lovely. This video is not about it, but I just wanted to tell you that I really enjoy the Sebstian bag. Please write me if you want a whole review just on this bag, but it's a very good bag. It fits all my essentials and yeah, very, very practical. But I'm going to make a bag switch, and let me show you the bag that I really wanted and finally I got it in my collection. I'm talking, yes, about the Rikka size S in the amazing color Relaxed Grey. I wanted this bag especially in this color because the Rikka is still available on the French Kipling website and I do presume on other Kipling websites all around the world, but I wanted it in this color because I am a great fan of the Relaxed Grey. I've got the cash body, which is honestly, since I got it, my go-to coin purse. It's amazing how practical it is, and I fell in love with this color Relaxed Grey. I do think it's a lovely color for springtime. And so, as I told you, the very first time I discovered the bag, because I was tempted also by the Gaby Mini, and some of you, my lovely subby, you told me to buy the Gaby, either the small or the mini, but most of you recommend me the small one because it can fit more item. And honestly, I do love the Gaby, but I prefer the design of the Rikka. I do love this. Yes, it's not an half moon type, but for me, I prefer the Gaby is like a tiny bucket visually, and I do prefer this one. But I do think it's the same principle because there are a lot of pockets all around the bag. And so this bag was sold out and I still went on the Kipling website from day to day, and one day, maybe they have some stock left and they put them on the website, this bag appeared again and I directly ordered it. As I told you, it was great because since it was in the outlet section, I just paid for this bag something like 37, something euro. So really a very, very cheap price. Because I wanted something in this color, because I am in love with this color, but I wanted, yes, another kind of crossbody bag, shoulder bag, with a kind of urban style, which is perfect for me, even if I do wear dresses, because Yes, they're practical. It's easy to go. And you know, I am wearing a lot of style. I can be rock, I can be very chic, very elegant. But most of the time I am casual, sporty chic also. And I do think that Kipling bag in this design are just perfection. And when I'm wearing a Kipling bag, I am not afraid because most of the time they do not catch the attention. And yes, they are simple, easy, but they are making the job and they are so practical. So here it is in all her glory. I love the color. The monkey, the plushy monkey in this color is just insane. Look at it, it's so beautiful. And its name is Joël, if you want to pronounce it like a French person, Joël. It's lovely. And I do love the white strap on the strap. So you've got two front pockets, all pockets are zipped. You've got two on each side, and behind you also have a zip pocket. Here is the reference of the bag. So this is the Rikka S. It is, and let me take this off. I will also take the card. And the inside is also, it's also white, but for me it's not a problem. You also have a zipped pocket here and one main compartment, but it can fit a lot. And so I'm going to make a back switch and I show you what can fit inside. So I'm back, it's all packed. So you see when it is packed, it's not fully packed, I still have some space, but here it is. Yes, I will write the dimension of the Rikka, but it's honestly a lovely bag. I'm going to show you. Don't mind my outfit. I was having sport activity this morning. So here it is. You see on the shoulder, it's okay. It's really okay. And if I want to turn it crossbody, it's so easy. And here we are. I really love the style. I am crazy about the color, honestly. So, as you can see, it fits a lot. Here I place nothing, but just an example. In this pocket, I've put my mint. I love how it's open so easily. On this one, I have placed some tissue. On this one, I got my mini creativity pouch. I got some medication inside and it fits perfectly. Look at this. I know a bunch of you will tell me, but yes, take the item and put them here, but no, because it's easier to, you know, I make a lot of rotation of my bag. I love to change bag every day, several times. So for me, it's easier to just place the pouch and change. So that's the reason why, but I know a bunch of you will tell me, hey, why are you doing this? So I told you this one, this one I place nothing. Here also, I think I will use it just, you know, to place my car key and my home keys. And here, let me show you what I can fit inside. So you see there's still space for sunglasses. So I've got a tiny bottle of water and I've got all my essentials that you always see. Oh, I change again. I'm back with this Longchamp wallet, my compact one, because yes, you know, I change bag, but I also change wallet from time to time. I got my document for my car. I placed my banana here. Maybe I will attach it like this, or maybe not, let's see. But I do think it was lovely on my Sebstian because the bag is black and with the banana it's matching well. And of course I got my cash buddy in the relaxed gray color. Oh, I fell so much in love with this color. I needed to have a bag in this color and I do not regret because the Rikka, I will of course make a review later and tell you honestly how I use it, but I do think this bag is going to follow me with my travel for the spring-summer period. So that's all, my friend. Do you know the Kipling Rikka bag? Do you have it in your collection? Or you prefer the Gabi? The Gabi is also a very good bag, honestly, but it's just for me a question of design. I preferred this design, but I do understand that a lot of people prefer the Gabi because it's also a very good looking bag and with a lot of pocket, and I do think it's also a very practical bag. But honestly, whose Kipling bag is not practical? Tell me. So yes, tell me if you know the Rikka, if you got it, if you've got something similar, because Kipling have so many bags. So maybe there's a vintage model to this one. Yes, let's open the discussion, but honestly, I am so happy to got it. I really wanted it, and I will keep you informed, yes, in the fall period if I use it so much as I planned to. Thanks, my friend, for watching this video. Thanks to all my subbies for always being here and follow my craziness concerning my bag collection. So thanks, my subbies. I love you. You are my little treasures. If you keep looking at my video but you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really helps me. Thank you. Okay, my friend, we see you soon for a new video. So take care until this video. I love you. Bye bye.